Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1973 real Plymouth Cuda. Numbers matching, stunning car. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video. I love this blue color with the white vinyl top. This is one just amazing looking car. Now the purpose of these virtual test drives is for you to get a chance to see it out in the sun and try to virtually put you inside the driver's seat. So before you make this purchase, you get as much knowledge as possible. For all additional information, you're gonna have to go on over to volocars.com. Not you have to, you get to. Go on over to volocars.com when we're done. See the 100 or so extra pictures of the undercarriage, inside, under the hood, the trunk, everything. The detailed write-up about everything we know about this car and the selling price. It really is just a beautiful car. The vinyl top's in great shape, still soft. Door opens with ease, has the key alarm, door shuts nicely. Inside it's the automatic. Buckle up here. Looking, and I'm not seeing any damage to anything. Trying to notice it, and really just a great car. Let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, the radio.
We got our clearance. We're up to 80.
Radio works. See, I'm trying to find something that's not looking right, or something. I can't find anything. Maybe like a minor little scuff down here. Maybe, I mean, could be a little bit of dirt or wear and tear. Fan kicks on. I believe this has AC. The air's feeling colder than it is outside. You have your gauges up here: speedometer, fuel gauge, engine temp, battery. See everything. This is the first time myself or anyone from the shop's had a chance to take this out on the road. So we're going to be experiencing everything together firsthand. I'm going to start off just going kind of slow cruising, getting a feel for it, and then later in the video I will be opening it up. So let's go for a ride. Shifts with ease in there. Brakes feel nice. Turns with ease. See the speedo's working. Keep an eye on the temp gauge for after the ride, see if it goes up. So really easy to control. I'm trying to find some play in it, so they're straight. Turn just a little bit, I start going. It's a nice straight. This car is great. I know Jay took this home because he wants to get a feel for everything, so he drives it, and that was as close as I heard him say perfection. So I had high hopes for this vehicle. Oh shit. A little squeaking. That's not bad. Great solid ride. The brakes feel really well. Not too hard, not too soft. This was real easy. I didn't feel like I was losing control at all. Let's try getting on it one more time. I do see the engine temp gauge went up, so that's functioned properly. This is just an awesome car. I see why Jay used the word perfection. This thing is great. I'm not going to say perfect, but I'm going to say really close. Really close. I thoroughly enjoyed this. I know you would too. So go ahead, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com, get all the details, and then give our sales department a call, because something this great never lasts long. As always, appreciate you.